Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to share with you Artplay's newest collection with the one and only Selena Gomez. The Always Pan and Perfect Pot are from the Artplay Selena Gomez Collection. This limited collection features the Always Pan and Perfect Pot in two exclusive colors, Azul and Rosa. Of course I had to get my Always Pan and Perfect Pot in Rosa because it is my mom's favorite color. It's such a beautiful color and it just goes well in my kitchen. I can't recommend the Always Pan and Perfect Pot enough. The ceramic coating is non-toxic and non-stick, which makes it so easy to clean up. My favorite part is not having to scrub so hard in order to get my pan looking brand new. The Home Cook Duo is both multifunctional and lightweight. It replaces up to 16 pieces of cookware. That's a win for cabinet space. And look at how cute they are. Go get yours using the link in the description box or by visiting from artplace.com. Now let's go make some delicious camarones a la Diabla. Okay, so first we're going to begin by making our sauce. So here I already boiled 4 Roma tomatoes, 4 chile de árbol, 4 New Mexico chile pods, and we're going to blend them with 4 chile chipotles, 1 garlic clove, and a small piece of onion. Okay, so once we have our sauce, now we are ready to make our delicious camarones a la Diabla. Okay, so we're going to grab our Always Pan. We're going to set it on medium heat. And to that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're just going to allow the butter to melt. Okay, so once the butter melts, we're going to add half of a small white onion chopped. And we're going to saute our onion for about 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're going to add 2 pounds of raw shrimp. And we're going to season our shrimp with salt and black pepper. And now we're just going to cook our shrimp until it turns into a beautiful salmon color. Okay, so once the shrimp is ready, we're going to add our sauce. Into my blender cup, I'm going to add about 3/4 of a cup of water. Okay, so now we're just going to mix it. And we're going to bring it to a simmer. Okay, so once it comes to a simmer, try it for salt. And if you need to add some more, go ahead and add it. And now we're just going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting and allow it to simmer for a couple minutes. Okay, so after a couple minutes, our delicious camarones a la Diabla are ready. So now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, serving. So I like to serve my camarones a la Diabla with white rice. So now we're just going to grab our camarones and serve. And of course, you grab as much as you want. And just like that, now we are ready to enjoy.